in logs or any gaming logs, you're gonna wanna check out this application. It's crazy, guys. Make sure to watch for it and stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
So here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use and very straightforward. So all you have to do is pretty much choose your DNS connection, and these are all the DNS connections available for you to choose from. And Google DNS works best, and you can click on tap on that one there, and you don't need to edit anything down here other than let it stay as it is. So once you have selected that, you pretty much can tap on the start option here. Once you're connected, you're pretty much good to go. So let me know your feedback on this application. I've tested it before and it works good. Not sure if it's still working as good as it usually does. But comment below if you have any problem with the application. Comment as well, see if we can help you out as well. So if I miss anything, comment below. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.